Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Ingde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Nagar Bandar East. Our today's topic is comprehension. In it, we will discuss Shiva's blessing, a prose lesson. Course outcome: summarize the comprehension passage. Writing skill: answer the given question of specific passage. Formulate the sentences using the given new words. Use correct syntax and construct the meaningful sentences for given situations. Answer the question on given unseen passage or seen passage. Speaking skills: pronunciation the word correctly in a given passage. Give oral instruction with the correct pronunciation and intonation for the given situation. Next, answer the question orally on given unseen passage with correct pronunciation. These are the learning outcomes student will achieve after completion of this topic. So student, in our last video we discussed Shiva's blessing. In it we already know that what is the condition of Shiva and his family, in which miserable condition Shiva is suffering from, and but due to the tenacity and hard working of Shiva, he finally achieved the success. The success story of Shiva tells us if you work hard with full of devotion, obviously you will achieve the success or success come behind you. Here are some question and answer related to this topic we will discuss. Express your view or idea on helping needy people. Answer: give little help a needy person can change someone's life completely. It can give him equal opportunities that of rich person. This help also give winning their dream. When the biggest hurdle of the path is removed, the needy person take every effort to fulfill his dream. Next question: express your view, ideas on gratitude of help received from someone. Answer: when you receive the help from someone, it's your honesty to give your best to keep the promise you have made to that person. You can express your gratitude by telling him a thanks, presenting him gift, or carrying on legacy of the help to next generation. Answer the following question in 4 to 5 sentences. State any 4 qualities of Shiva that inspired you. Shiva's hard work in his study made him successful country manager in Sri Lanka. He achieved his feat not just by sitting on the place but by taking lot of effort. At very early age he started his doing odd job of selling newspaper, garland, washing cars, etc. He was a sincere and trustworthy person. That's why Krishna and Vedvyasa believed him and became ready to pay his school fees every year. He is a helpful boy. He helps weak student in some lesson in the class. He also helps him family to uplift the finance. Shiva is also look good skillful entrepreneur because he makes a good newspaper selling business and expand gradually. He also works at an electronic shop and later on repairing computer. Despite getting a reputed job in a multinational company, he decided to start his own business. Next, describe how Shiva prepared for CAT exam. Answer: Shiva, after completing graduation, started preparing for CAT exam. It was one of the toughest exam in world. Krishna helped him to join coaching classes. But due to his busy work schedule, Shiva couldn't attend the lecture regularly. He collected notes or old CAT exam question paper and started preparing from home. Soon he cleared the written exam and went to Krishna's home to prepare the mock test or mock interview test or group discussion. He kept watching newspaper, TV, reading current affairs, and full of rigor. He finally passed CAT exam and got offer from 6 IIM. He ended up at talking admission in IIM TM Calcutta or IIM Calcutta. Summarize the struggle of Shiva Kumar. Shiva Kumar was born in poor family. His father, an out of work or lorry driver. Nagendra and his mother would sell garland. Shiva took had to work earn in living thing. He got up 4 a.m. and sold newspaper at household and offices. Still, it was very difficult for him to continue further his education. He did not have enough money to pay his school fees, so he was always in a search of additional income sources. Shiva, despite being the clever student in the class, couldn't attend the lecture regularly. Here, question Mr. Krishna Vidvasa to help him to pay his education fee. Though Shiva joined coaching classes of CAT exam, he always stayed out. He always stayed out due to his busy work schedule. He collected notes and old question paper for a previous exam. He passed the written exam and made him through the mock interview and group discussion. Joined IIM Calcutta after education. He secured a job, a deputy country manager in e-commerce company dealing in a property in Sri Lanka. Describe the help given by Krishna Vidvasa. Krishna Vidvasa plays an essential role in Shiva's life or make him success. It was Krishna who realized Shiva's potential and provided him help for paying his school fees every year. Krishna encouraged Shiva to believe himself and stay forth with the target. Krishna invited Shiva to come over his place and prepare for mock interview and group discussion. At every junction of life, Krishna gave him the moral support. Though he was a practical man, he treated Shiva as his own child. Shiva kept his word and made achievement for Krishna. So student, this is the successful story of Shiva. Okay. We see how Shiva struggled in his life, working hard in his life and achieve success. And also we are also remembering the man like Krishna Vedvyasa who support Shiva in his whole life, paying his school fees every year. He know the talent of Shiva and helping the Shiva by paying his school fees, and finally all his help, all his support to Shiva, guidance, okay, is the one step or is the final achievement or the success of Shiva. Due to helping of Shiva, Krishna Vedvyasa, Shiva finally achieved success in his life. So student, I hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you.